Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to install Mikero's tools and hopefully fix some of the errors you may be encountering when you're trying to do so. I couldn't get this working for quite some time, and it meant that the map making and everything past this, beyond this stage, beyond this step, wasn't working either. So the first thing we're going to need to do if you wanted to make a DayZ map is you're going to need the tools to do so. So we'll go over to Steam and your library. I assume you've got DayZ installed. If you go up to this arrow up here in this version of Steam, you'll see there's some checkboxes. Make sure tools over here is checked. This will bring up your tools for available for what you've got installed. You want to go to DayZ tools and install that. I uninstalled everything so that we're doing it along at the same time. My internet is not the best, so I'll come back to you when this is downloaded, installed, etc. Okay, once that is downloaded and installed, just go to DayZ Tools and Launch. It's going to come up with something like this. All we want to do for now is go to Tools and mount my P drive. It's going to come up like this, you just click yes. So the next thing we need to do is go over to Mikero's tools. The link will be in the description. When you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this page. I'm not an expert at all in this subject, so this is just me gathering information from other tutorials, hoping I've got the right information and making it work. So this part, all I know is that you download DayZ 2P, DOGG, DPBO tools, DPBO, DRAP Eliteness, Extract, Make PBO, PBO Project, and Rapify. Download all of them. Once they're downloaded, go to where you've downloaded them to and start off with the DayZ 2P installer. You want to install these apps in the order that you downloaded them. So this will come up, just click more info and run anywhere. Yes. I agree. And do this for each of the apps in the order that you downloaded them. Okay, so when we've got all those downloaded and installed, make sure in Tools that it says Dismount P drive at the top, meaning that you have your P drive mounted. Then go over here to your search bar, type in DayZ 2P, and click this. When you click the app, it's going to bring this window up. It's asking you where you want to extract your game data to, so you're going to click P for your P drive. Now, what happened the very first time I tried to do it, what is happening now is it gives you an error. You might get a different error depending, I don't know what this depends on. One solution I've learned from another tutorial was that if you get a certain error, first close all this down, go into DayZ, load into a server or even community offline mode, run around for 5 minutes, come back out and try it again, and it should work then. If it doesn't and you're still getting an error that looks like this, go over here and type in environment until you see this, edit the system environment variables. When you click on environment variables, it's going to bring up excuse me, it's going to bring up this window. It should already be on the advanced tab and the environment variables should be here, but if it isn't, it's just in your system properties and the advanced tab. Click environment variables. It'll bring up this window. Now what we want to do is go to this lower window, scroll till you find path. I'm going to double click that. We want to go to a blank line, double click it. Then we want to find where Mikero's tools has installed, and your program files 86 under Mikero. Click on the PBO tools and bin. This is the folder, the path that you want to copy into the environment variables. So just click this, right click, copy, close that down, double click this again, paste that into there, click OK. 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 Now when we go over to Mikero's tools and hit B. Now the first time I tried to do this, my antivirus actually blocked the program. As soon as I clicked allow on that, it allowed it to do its thing. Now the extraction can take a while, but once it's completed you should be able to go to this PC, local P drive, and it should look something like this. It'll have a map legend PNG at the bottom and all the relevant folders. That is this process over with, and you should be able to go on with your map creation without any problems. Thanks for watching, I hope this helped you out. Much love.